Jaclyn, with your wonderful smile and your beautiful job, the music therapy.
Yes.
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 What do you change in these people?
Well, say
when you
it's a
sing
patient
for
with
them?
cancer and they don't know how to express their feelings. We help them write songs about their feelings and they sing it to their family, or if they're in hospice, or they can leave a legacy for their family.
Oh my God.
I will promise you,
That's
I will
beautiful.
visit with you a hospital in Holland.
Would you please?
Yes.
I would love that. I would love to bring music therapy to Holland. It's very big
I
in
know
the
a lot
United
of
States.
children hospitals and I would like to do this.
Please, let's do it.
Oh, that's great.
Kijk, dit is het moment waarop ik wel emotioneel word.
I want to tell you.
Is van beloofd. I promise you we go together to a hospital.
Good job.
Let's do
Good
it.
job.
Can't wait.
Thanks a lot.
Adem in. Adem uit.
Jaclyn Bradley Palmer.
Good job.
Knuffels van de coach.